Welcome to another quick review. Today, we've got a really cool project. I'm on a shower rebuild and I have a tile leveling system that we're going to talk about. This system is made by Goldblatt and it is called Build to Build. It's going to have the little round pieces like you see there, and it's going to have 1/8 inch spacers. The system that I have has the leveler part. I'm going to get 100. The spacers, I'm going to get 250. Now, the beauty of that is once I take those off, I can reuse those. That's why you get a lot more spacers. So you can actually keep these and use them from job to job. Now, let's go ahead and look at the system. I will tell you, it works fantastic. You can put the spacers in between the tiles. You can spread them around wherever that you think you need the most pull to get these things leveled. So how the system works, it's going to have the actual spacer that goes behind your tile, and you'll set that in when you're putting in your mortar. When you get done, you're going to use a soft mallet and you're simply just going to snap them off, and they stay behind the tile. When you put in your grout, you will never see it. The actual spinner that they have, I like because it has a rubber like piece that goes around like a plastic, and it moves, so it will lock in and you'll turn and that piece will keep from marring up your tile. I simply take and I'll put it on like this, spin it in, and we get it nice and tight. Now, some of the things I've found with some of the competitors in this system is if you tighten too much, they snap off. These do not seem to snap. I have not broke a single one, but when you're doing it, make sure that you do not over tighten. And what I'll do is I will, like an area like this, I'll tighten a little here, and here, till I get it just where I want to get it and get everything level so that I do not have what's called lippage. I do not have a piece sticking out further than the other one. It's very important. Let it dry overnight, come back and remove them like this. And now I can throw this back in the box, and this is the one that I will literally snap off with my little mallet, and I'm ready to rock and roll on down the road. So today I have this done. I'm fixing to do this wall and this wall over here. Now I'm going to pull all of these off and I'm going to reuse them. So if you're looking for a really great leveling system, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this one. It is awesome. It's probably going to become my go-to leveling system for the future. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.